am opening some coronavirus 19 orders that I've been ordering online a little bit lately. I just got my newest hydration vest order. I'm super excited. I was just trying it on and I thought, ooh, I should make a video. So the last time you saw me, I had bought a new Salomon vest, and I was gonna try it out. Well, I tried it out and I'm not happy. The name of it is, and I can't remember. SensiFit. The last one I got, 5 liter, I think. It was one of the latest versions of the Salomon 5 liter, I think. And I kept it because it was super comfy. I like the new elastic, although this can pop out. Although it didn't pop out when I was running. And it's got these front soft flasks that are a pain in the neck. I hope I'm not too washed out here. Let me close this curtain here. Okay, that might help, I'm hoping. And let's see, let me open the curtain. Okay, so I don't like soft flasks. They're annoying, but once you fill it up, you can stuff it in the pocket. I only used one because it's really heavy. This is the men's version or unisex version. I got it because I needed a larger size vest, although I've lost a few pounds, which I'm very excited about, but it is still too big. Like, look at how big that is, and there's no adjustments like my first version of Salomon 5.0 vest, which I miss. It was too small. I gave it to my running coach, but you can adjust it a lot more, and this one you can't adjust as much, so it's still too floppy and big here. And the front water, I hate it. Like, it's too heavy. It hurts my back, and it's like having another double-sized breast in my front. It's so heavy in front. That's why I don't like front vest. But this is how it looks. And the back is just a half length pocket or 3/4 length, so it doesn't hold a hydration. So I'm not happy. It's too floppy. It's not, you can't adjust it enough, and I hate the front loading water because I already have enough in front. Like, I'm a size large, I would think, shirt, and oh, this is a men's medium. It's too large. I wanted something larger and more comfy. Okay, so, and I got that at REI, I think over the winter. I hope I can return it still. So, I was on REI's website and they were having a sale on the women's version, and they have a large. I think they only had medium before. I just noticed. I got a large finally. And this is the women's version, which was too small when I tried it in the store. Sorry, I'm washed out. But this is the large women's version, and I'm super excited about it. I took it out and I like put it on. I'm like, oh boy. It's got the same really light material, which is super comfy. I'm sorry I'm washed out. Let's see if I can fix that a little bit. And oops, I like these elastic straps. It's better than it was before. And it has these straw versions. I just took this out. I haven't tried it yet. Different flasks, soft flasks that are these different shape. I haven't tried it yet. And it has the straws, which is very exciting. So you don't have to take it out of your pocket to drink it, which will be easier. And the back has a full reservoir. So I can put a reservoir in back, which I'm super excited about. This is a large, and it seems to be a good fit. I haven't tried it yet. It's not too short here, I don't think, for chafing. My arm is hitting a seam up here. I hope that doesn't chafe too much. See, if it's too big, it's floppy, which is annoying. If it's too small, it chafes. I hope that's good size. And I will be cinching it down, I'm sure. And it is, let's see. I think they're shorter than they used to be, but I love the new material. It's super soft. So it's a little wide in this material here, like a vest with more narrow wouldn't be as rubbing. So I hope it doesn't rub, but I'm super excited to try it out. I think they changed the pockets for women a little bit. And I bought an extra bladder for the back because I like black. So it seems to fit a lot better. I'm super excited. Although, let's see. Oh, good. It does have an adjustment here, I think. Oops. Oh, maybe those are pole holders. I don't know. It needs an adjustment here. It's kind of floppy here. I do use all my pockets. I fill them up with all kinds of stuff. Goo, nutrition, toweling paper, poopy bags for the dog, chapstick, a key. I often put a phone in a waist belt unless it has a zipper pocket of some kind. So we'll figure that out, but I'm super excited to try this one. We will see. Okay, thanks. Bye.